tips and tricks I learned over the years. In this episode of Tales, we've got an action-packed schedule. So buckle up and hold on to your inner tubes, because we're riding River Canyon Run, the 4-story water slide that shoots you down in a raft. Grab all your friends and family. This slide can hold up to 5 people. Remember to hold on tight and lean into the turns. You don't even have to carry your own tube. They're all at the top waiting for you. I think you're going to like what I have planned for us next. Howler's Peak Ropes Course. Hi, Mom! Focus on one thing in the distance. That helps keep your balance. Woo! It even has a smaller course for smaller kids. You can climb however many times you want for as long as you want. It's awesome. I'll come back for another climb later. Right now, I'm in the mood to pull some strikes. 3rd one today. No big deal. Welcome to 10 Paw Alley, where everything's kid-sized. I've been working on my technique. I'm basically a 10 Paw professional now. Maybe not. Did you knock down all the pins?
Yes. I didn't even know anything.
Did you play with the bumpers?
What are bumpers?
The best part is that there's no need for stinky old bowling shoes. You could just wear your own. Plus, there's disco lights. So when you're not bowling, you're dancing! That's it for today's action-packed episode. This Lodge Lifer is going to try to find other tips and tricks by going on a few more slides. See you next time. Awoo!